All right, guys, looking to do furnace replacement for sure. Likely furnace and AC replacement. We are in the basement, just right at the bottom of the steps. There is an entrance there from the outside, directly down here, so you won't have to go too far. The unit itself, we've got an 80% furnace. It is 14.5 inches wide, 34 inches tall. Same with coil, also A width, 14.5 inches wide. It does widen out to 20 inches in total on the supply side there. So we'll probably be looking at B width equipment on there. The flue, which is a 4-inch, is wrapping around that right side. There is a flue liner in place, which you can see, and it's tagged right there. Got a 3-inch from the water heater, so we'll need probably a 5x4x3 new T connection for all that. It's an old bypass humidifier here. Pull this off. I'm not sure if they'll look to replace this or not. You can see how kind of the back of the plenum, it's kind of curved back here. The return itself, you can see where the original return was at here. I don't know why it got moved back here like this, but either way, it's an 8x24, which 24 is about as wide as you can get. That's the full length. So we may end up having to do like a 10x24, but again, we've got plenty of space for that if it needs to be a little wider. There's about 11.5 inches between that current return and the side of the furnace. So our furnace will get a little bit wider. Return will be a little bit wider. Probably end up with, I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 inches in between there that we'll need to fill, which we can do with the Aprilaire media cabinet. Return height overall from that seam to the floor, just above the floor actually, is 71 inches. Gas line there on the left, shut-offs here. Got electrical dropping down. Drains in the floor. Line set running up over my head. It's a straight shot right out over here. Looks to be in good shape. Just flush all that. Electrical box looks to be let's see, I don't know if you can read that. It looks like furnace is notated, marked on the left. I'll defer to the install department on what we do with that thing. I'll have to show that to Kyle.